The bears could be buying in right at the top of the rally. They sold at the bottom of the rally in capitulation, did not initially buy back in when it first popped up, and now that the S&P 500 is up about 8% from the bottom, now they're buying in. Just before I think the stock market could pull back. So they're buying in now as if they had a little bit of patience and put their emotions aside and waited, I think they could get a little bit of a better deal because, again, with the short-term underlying stock market emotions at exuberance, I think we could pull back here. What do you think happens? Please leave me a comment, like this video, and follow for more. I'm not part of the emotional herd. I track what they're doing and use them to make me money. Here's the S&P 500 looking so far like we could get a confirmed breakout above 6,636 and 6,696. On a technical basis, we could make a new high of 6,836, which so far we have only missed by about 6 points. Very, very close. In other words, on a technical basis, we have gone up as far potentially as we could go in the immediate term. Now I get it. If things go really well with Iran, if oil prices come crashing down, if yields come crashing down, absolutely the stock market can absolutely tear higher. But on a more technical basis, I think we could pull back here also because the short-term underlying mood swings between happiness and fear are at exuberance. It is singing Dixie right there. And what always eventually happens, it snaps back. So for people with cash or anybody that missed the rally that sold at the bottom, I think with a little bit of patience, we could have a little bit of selling here in the next couple days and possibly get a better buying opportunity than we have today. So please, bears, exercise patience. In my opinion, the emotional herd is so easy to predict and it reads like a book to me, but most people never get the book. If you would like me to invest your stock portfolio for you through times like this, comment manage. If you would like to receive my real-time stock trades, comment trades. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC. A lot of people were happy to buy gold today. I alerted my members that I was selling half of my long gold trade. Very happy to do it. I still own another half, again, because I think gold could go higher if the market goes higher, but I didn't want to be too greedy and took nice profits. As most people right now are selling natural gas and hate it, and that mood swing in natural gas is very fearful, I alerted my members today that I was buying natural gas with about a third to a half of my possible total allocation, meaning if natural gas prices come down further, I still have anywhere between half to 2/3 of that possible total allocation to put to work. So inching in here. I don't generally want to be all in or all out. So now I am long natural gas. I remain short crude oil flat on the day as of about 1:30 Eastern time here. Still in that confirmed breakout above $93.09 a barrel. It would be really bearish and in my opinion good for crude oil and the country if we could close below there. I still do not think that it's too late. In other words, I think you could still, if it's right for you, enter a short crude oil trade. Obviously, it was better a little earlier today when the price was higher. The 10-year yield possibly confirming the breakdown below 4.32%. This is wonderful for my long maturity bond fund trade. Again, I do think it's a little late on the late side to enter a new trade, but if you do it, please set a close trailing stop sell order. Everybody seems happy today to buy Bitcoin. Again, if the market does head higher, Bitcoin could head higher with it, although I do think we are coming up on a price action here where I could short Bitcoin. I will alert my members when I make the trade.